Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have marshmallows. I'm really sorry for my weird voice. But as you can see, I'm still sick and my throat sorta hurts. Not really hurts, but as you can see, it sounds really weird when I talk. I don't sound as myself at all. So, yeah, ignore that part of the video in which you hear my voice. I mean, just ignore the crappy way it sounds. I want it to get back to its original form too, trust me. But anyway, marshmallows! I also have candy that looks funny. And other crap on my desk, like let's see, a mug and a tissue and my crappy phone I never use because nobody calls me. And my lip balm, or whatever you call that thing, and lots of colored pens that I don't really use again. And a brush, and this is my water brush I just bought today. And pencils I don't use, and my pencil case. Oh my god, I have 2 boxes of tissues. Why do I need 2 boxes of tissues? Because I'm sick. Over here I have more pencils. And 72 pencils in a box. And that's a heart-shaped thingy with the bow on it. Here's Piplup. Say hello to the camera, Piplup. The people love you. You're so cute. That's my wallet. Look, this is my photo album. Don't I look just weird? Yeah, I'm not photogenic. Yay! Here in the dark, which you cannot really see because I have sucking lightning, it's my cork pen one, whatever you call it. And my wall with lots of stickers on it, which are basically other pictures I took from the internet and just, you know, put all sorts of stuff to make it look gayer. And what else? My bed's not made. Why make it? Because nobody visits me. So that's sort of all the shit I have in my room. For the moment, I'm gonna have to clean it, but why bother? Once again, candy, marshmallows. I hope my cold goes away, cause I can't stand it anymore. Anyway, that's all. Hope you enjoy this crappy video and my crappy voice. See ya.